OCHO. Yeah.
From Cordoba, I headed out west into the Sierras, a much older mountain range than the Andes that was originally part of Pangaea. I'm heading off to some caves to see a colony of swifts, but there are no collectivos around Tanti, so I've got to walk or get a taxi. So I've got to walk about 8 kilometres that way, and I'm just getting myself a stick ready just in case I see any dogs. There's 3 dogs just before I get to my hostel that come out and bark, and they scare the pants off me. I actually hitched past them this morning. I hitched just down the road past the dogs, and the guy in the car said take a stick, because you can if they come for you, they won't get your hand because you jam the stick at them, so they get the stick instead. I've never tried that. The girl who's in my dorm room, she encountered them as well, and she shat herself. She actually carried some rocks to go past them the next time. I think this one will do. At 6:45 this morning, there was an earthquake. I heard it and I felt it. All the wood kind of cracked, made noises. I mean, there was no damage. Apparently they're really common. It was only measured about 4, and those are really common in Argentina. Much larger shocks, like about 7, are quite rare. There was also a mad thunderstorm last night. I mean, it sounded like the sky was just ripping open. It was so loud. And today it's quite windy and cloudy, which is actually perfect to see swifts. Feel my body injecting adrenaline into the backs of my calves. It's just like a gorge with stone above it. Well, that was not what I was expecting at all. I was expecting a big cave where they fly in and out and they're going feeding their young, but no, I think the population has just crashed. Walked all the way back, but now just at this last bit, I'm gonna hitch. Solo voy al hostal, muy cerca, pero tengo miedo de los perros.
Ajá.
¿Sí?
Sube.
Gracias.
¿De dónde eres?
¿De Inglaterra?
¿De Inglaterra?
Sí.
¿Te has escapado?
Sí. ¿Dónde van?
¿A los gigantes?
Ah, sí,
Sí.
bueno.
¿No se conoce para allá vos?
No, nunca fui, pero quiero ir.
Pues vamos.
That is a cool little house. I'm just popping into Tanti for a couple of things. And I'm going to be very brave and walk past these dogs. Oh, I've bottled it. I'm scared already and they're not even here. I'm gonna hitch. After all that hassle about the dogs, I've got bitten by a dog. I'm at the hospital now waiting to get a tetanus shot. Estaba pasando una casa y el perro a través la pared. Era muy fuerte, pero rápido.
Claro.
So what's amazing about Argentina is that the healthcare is free, even for foreigners. So I'm being treated, I'm being given tetanus, I'm being cleaned, the wound twice, everything. Amazing. Here's the dog. Here it is, look. Fucker. I was just walking along here, minding my own business, quite close, and it stuck its nose through here and just grabbed my leg. That's the first time I've ever been bitten by a dog. Looks like Lassie.